Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to do another exercise of quantifiers. In this lecture I will just give you the instructions. The rest of the work you have to do by yourself because we have done all the concepts in the previous lectures. Now watch those videos again and then do the rest of the work. Now we are going to do the page number 159 of your tech workbook. Look at the pictures and answer the question. Here is an example. Did he have any paint? Look at the picture. Is there any paint? Now you have to give the answer. No, he didn't. Second is, how many stars did she make? Count the star and give the answer. How many cranes were there? Now you can see in the picture how many cranes were there. Was there any paper? Give the answer of this question. How much snow was there? Did she draw any shapes? Now you have to give the answer of all these 6 questions. The next is, now answer the questions. You have to give the answer according to your routine. Did you have any milk today? The next is, did you see any cranes yesterday? How much paper is there in your bedroom? And how many pens and pencils are there in your backpack? Okay, now turn the page. Next page is page number 160. Find and circle the words. Some jumbled alphabets are given here. You have to find the words. The first picture is scissors. You have to find the word scissors from here. The second is colored pencils. Third is chalk. Fourth one is watercolors. Fifth is glue. And sixth picture is markers. You have to find all these 6 words from the words given here. The next is complete the chart from words. Complete the chart with words from list A. Now you have to write the things you use to color a picture, like watercolor, colored pencils, chalk and markers. Next is thing you don't use to color a picture. We don't use scissors and glue to color a picture. Turn the page, page number 161. Are the commas correct? Write tick or cross and rewrite the incorrect sentences. Here is an example. Hank used colored pencils, scissors and glue for his collage. Is it correct? No, because a comma is missing. Hank used colored pencils, comma, scissors, comma and glue for his collage. Right? So next is, they ran, jumped and played on the playground. It is correct. So that's why you no need to write this sentence again. My dog is smart, gentle and patient. No, a comma is missing. So you will rewrite this sentence. My dog is small, comma, gentle, comma and patient. Right? So next is, we saw oil paintings, comma, mosaic and photographs at the museum. So it is correct. No need to write it again. Here is the writing part. Read about the tools Emily uses in her art projects. We are going to read this paragraph. I usually use colored pencils in my drawings. I use markers for posters. I use scissors and glue when I make a collage. I hardly ever use chalk or watercolors. Now think about the tools you use for your chart project and complete the chart. I usually use, you have to write what you usually use and for what thing, right? And the next, I hardly ever use, and here you have to write what you use sometimes. Next is rewrite about the tools you use for your art project. Now you will write in a paragraph form. Complete the chart. Some words are given here. Now you have to put the words in the correct chart. Write art supplies. What are the art supplies? Like watercolor, chalk, glues, markers and scissors. The next one is art projects. What are art projects? Origami, sculpture, collage, mobile, photograph and mosaic. Shapes, stars, oval, crescent and spiral are the shapes. The next page is page number 163. Here is an exercise of quantifiers. You have to circle the correct word. The next is look at the picture and answer the questions. Again, we have the pictures and you have to write the answers. Did he have any chalk? No, he didn't. How many origami animals did she make? She made 5 origami animals. Were there many markers on the desk? No, there were no markers on the desk. And how much paint did he use? He used a little paint. Next is, was there any paper on the desk? Yes, there were a lot of papers on the desk. Now we have completed our syllabus, all the concepts which are included in your final term syllabus. From the next time you will receive a worksheet which you have to do on your English language notebooks. Thank you everyone. That's it, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.